Are you wondering how you can make sure your contractors use the highest quality products and you don't get stuck with some cheap imitation garbage in your home renovation project?
The top three items you need to make sure you get quality materials for your renovation. First, define what you're doing and why you're doing it. When you've got a specific purpose in mind, you want a luxurious, entertaining kitchen where you're going to have lots of friends over. When you say that, that means we want higher end appliances, it means we want higher end finishes. We want something that you're going to show off very well. So whenever you communicate that, it helps out. Secondly, you want to specify the materials they're being used or ask what manufacturers or products they're putting into your project. If you're doing a bathroom renovation, you don't want something basic in there, which might be what's in their allowances. So you want something higher end, specify that or come straight out and say, hey, I want Kohler fixtures. I want Moen fixtures. I want Delta fixtures. So if there's a particular piece that you like, that way that ensures what you're going to get for those finishes. And finally, have open communication throughout the process. This is the key to having a successful building process whenever you're working with anybody. And the focus should always be on the quality, always talking about the quality, always talking about the types of products you want. So whenever you do that, it's going to help you get more of what you want. And speaking of getting exactly what you want, so we are here for you to go ahead and get the exact renovation that you've had in your head for all these years that you want to go ahead and turn this space into. So with our 5-day Remodeling Made Easy challenge, so we've got one coming up. This is your way to literally map out all of the different pieces. And when you map those out, you're going to get the project you're looking for whenever you find the contractor who can go ahead and make that happen. So all you have to do today is go to remodelingmadeeasychallenge.com. That's remodelingmadeeasychallenge.com, as you can see on the screen. So go there, register. We'll see you at our next challenge.